Dankjewel.
Suppress my feelings, 'cause I know what's best for me. Feel short of confidence, my hands begin to shake. I thought I knew you, but I barely knew your name. Porcelain stuck to your teeth, you got everything, and I can't believe how I've been let down again and again and again. And I'm paranoid, it's under my skin, I got careless eyes to let you back in. Why do I do this again and again and again? Porcelain stuck to your teeth, you got porcelain under your skin, and I'm all for it again and again and again. For someone you don't even know what you could have done. To tell you the truth, I love porcelain.
Oh, clever.
Thank you.
Put that to the side. Give me a white bucket. Onions first.
Yes, ma'am. Don't break them up, keep them all.
Keep them on. And your fire is ready to have your pot go on it, no?
Mm-hmm. We have to change the angle a bit when we put the pot on.
Don't worry.
And then carrots and potatoes.
Yeah, put some more carrots in there. Stick the carrots in now for some color.
Mm-hmm.
And then you do a few potatoes afterwards. Don't have to put all the potatoes in if it's too full.
Can you go get me a knife, please?
Full?
Cut the potatoes a bit smaller
We'll
if I
do
need
that
to.
just now. Just do your
Jy bring gou
presentation.
dat ek dink aan mekaar sit.
Okay.
Asseblief, dankie.
I hope you can't see me running in the chat.
I don't think so. Thank you, babe. Thank you. Magical knife if you're in the picture, see.
Change your angle just now.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me when you're ready, eh?
Yeah.
You can stick another there. Great. That's all the potato you have to use.
Mm-hmm. Krampenmiddag.
Yeah. That will happen.
Yes.
Front here is also spots
Okay.
missing.
Mm-hmm. Alright, here we go.
Alright. Got it. Put your lid on and then you can thumbs up.
I'm not Drew on camera.